Alec Baldwin's involuntary manslaughter trial begins today, nearly 3 years after the fatal shooting of cinematographer Halyna Hutchins on the set of the film Rust. Baldwin was rehearsing with a prop gun for a scene in October of 2021 on the set in New Mexico when the gun went off, killing Hutchins and wounding director Joel Souza. Baldwin faces 18 months in jail if convicted of wrongdoing. He has pleaded not guilty and has maintained in multiple interviews that he did not pull the trigger. On Monday, the actor scored an early legal win in the trial as the judge ruled Baldwin's role as a producer on the film isn't relevant to the trial and cannot be entered as evidence. Well, for more, let's speak to criminal defence attorney and legal analyst Rachel Fiset. Good to have you on the programme, Rachel. So just explain to our viewers why that is a win for Baldwin, that the judge ruled his role as a producer isn't relevant.
The prosecution was attempting to use the fact that Baldwin was a producer on the film to show that he would have been basically more knowledgeable about the safety protocols on the set and more responsible for enforcing those safety protocols. And the win today was that the judge determined that that fact cannot come in, and the prosecution cannot put forth evidence relating to his role as a producer to show that knowledge, which is really going to be key to the case.
Also, a big focus, will it not be, on his argument that the gun is faulty, he didn't pull the trigger? Is it assumed the prosecution will argue that it's not possible, he must have pulled the trigger?
The prosecution is expected and will put forth gun experts that will say that that type of gun could not have gone off without pulling the trigger. Baldwin has maintained that he cocked the hammer back of the gun, but he did not pull the trigger. And the experts will contradict what he has said prior in various interviews and to the public. So that issue will be central to the case.
How long do you think this trial will last for?
This will be about 10 days. Jury selection will hopefully begin and end tomorrow. But when you have a celebrity, it is always difficult to get a jury that is not biased or doesn't know something of this type of high-profile case. So the jury selection may even go into Wednesday, but the case should be done in about 10 full days.
And I'm assuming, Rachel, it's really difficult to tell which way this will go.
It's a difficult case. Baldwin still has strong defenses, blaming the armorer, saying that he was told that there was a cold gun when it was handed to him. So this case really could go either way, and it will be an interesting one to watch.
I'm sure it will get a lot of interest. Rachel Fiset, thank you for your time. Good to get your take on this.
Thank you.